Imagine 556 horsepower, a supercharged V8, and Brembo brakes wrapped in pure black diamond luxury. This isn't just a Cadillac, this is a CTS-V Coupe, and when you hit the gas, the world knows exactly who's in control. Buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's an experience that redefines American performance forever. What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special, a car that doesn't just blend luxury and performance, it redefines what an American super coupe can be. I'm talking about the 2013 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe, a machine that takes Cadillac's bold heritage and pushes it to exhilarating extremes. This is not just a car, this is a statement, a thrill, and a masterclass in engineering, all wrapped into one sleek, aggressive package. From the first glance, the CTS-V Coupe commands your attention. The black diamond exterior shimmers under the light, reflecting Cadillac's precise craftsmanship and aggressive design philosophy. Every line, every curve is meticulously sculpted, not for show, but for purpose. It looks fast even when it's standing still, and that presence alone is enough to make heads turn at every stoplight. Slide inside, and the transformation is immediate. This is a cockpit built for the driver who demands both comfort and control. The black leather and suede interior envelops you in luxury, while the heated and cooled Recaro bucket seats with center console provide the perfect balance of support and indulgence. Your hands naturally fall to the steering wheel, your eyes take in the meticulous details of the dashboard, and you realize that Cadillac didn't just design a car, they designed an experience. Every control is intuitive, every surface exudes refinement, and everything feels purposeful. But of course, the heart of the CTS-V is what really sets it apart. Beneath that sculpted hood lies the legendary LSA 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This is the kind of engine that makes your pulse quicken just by hearing it idle. With 556 horsepower and 551 pound-foot of torque, this coupe doesn't just accelerate, it launches. The 6-speed automatic 6L90A transmission ensures that every gear change is crisp and precise, giving you control over this powerhouse whether you're carving up canyon roads or storming down the freeway. The dual exhaust system provides a symphony of power, deep, throaty, intoxicating. It's the sound of performance you feel in your chest as much as you hear in your ears. Handling is where the CTS-V Coupe truly separates itself from the pack. Equipped with independent front and rear suspension and magnetic ride control shocks, this car feels glued to the pavement. Every twist, every turn is met with a precision that's astonishing for a car of this size and power. The 19-inch wheels, wrapped in 255/40 ZR119 front and 285/35 ZR1 rear tires, grip the road with a tenacity that gives you complete confidence. And when it's time to slow down, the Brembo brakes paired with power disc brakes offer stopping power that matches the intensity of the engine, a perfect harmony of performance and control. Every inch of the CTS-V Coupe is designed with both style and function in mind. The tinted windows give the car an aura of mystery, while the aggressive stance, sharp lines, and aerodynamic contours ensure that this isn't just a luxury coupe, it's a performance weapon. The power steering and adjustable steering column make piloting this machine feel intuitive, almost like an extension of your own body. Even the keyless ignition and air conditioning system are crafted with convenience and refinement, ensuring that luxury is never sacrificed for raw power. Technology inside the CTS-V is seamlessly integrated. The factory navigation system keeps you on track, while the AM/FM/Sirius/DVD entertainment system ensures that every drive, no matter how intense, remains connected and enjoyable. It's the kind of cabin where you can feel the adrenaline of a supercharged V8 while still enjoying the comforts of a high-end luxury car. Cadillac managed to combine extremes here, ferocity and refinement, aggression and elegance, all in one remarkable package. Driving the CTS-V is not just an act, it's a performance, a choreography of speed, control, and raw emotion. Push the accelerator and the supercharger whines, propelling you forward with a force that's almost tangible. Every curve becomes an opportunity to experience the precision engineering of the suspension, the grip of the tires, and the responsiveness of the chassis. This car isn't built for the timid, it's built for drivers who crave exhilaration while commanding absolute control. And here's the beauty: at a price of $29,995, this 2013 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe represents a rare opportunity to own a modern American performance legend. Cars like this don't come along often. They combine brute force, technical sophistication, and luxury in a way that's impossible to ignore. This isn't just a car for showing off, it's a car for feeling alive every time you step on the gas, every time you take a corner, every time you grip the wheel and hear the engine roar. Imagine yourself behind the wheel on an open stretch of road. The supercharged LSA V8 surges beneath the hood, the dual exhaust growls in harmony with your heartbeat, and every twist of the steering wheel connects you to the road like never before. The Recaro seats hold you firmly as the magnetic ride control adapts to every bump and contour, and the Brembo brakes give you total confidence to push harder, faster, stronger. This is not just driving, it's domination, refinement, and adrenaline all at once. The 2013 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe is more than just numbers on a spec sheet. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a pinnacle of modern American automotive engineering. It's the perfect combination of luxury craftsmanship, advanced performance technology, and pure driving thrill. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who simply refuses to settle for ordinary, this car is designed to captivate every sense. So if you're ready to step into a world where luxury meets unrelenting performance, the CTS-V Coupe awaits. With its aggressive style, monstrous supercharged engine, precision handling, and indulgent interior, this is a car that doesn't just take you from point A to B, it transforms every journey into an experience you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved this deep dive into the 2013 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a car that redefines performance and luxury. Remember, this isn't just a car, it's a statement, a thrill, and a legend.